Hi lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. Let's prepare turkey stew today. So in a pot I'll be adding bottled tomatoes. This is blended tomatoes, okay, preserved inside the bottle. So I'll be boiling it to dry all the water before making the stew. Okay, you can use fresh tomato, any tomato of your choice can go. Okay, so I'll be stirring it from time to time so that it will not burn. Okay, you can see the name pulpa the pomodoro is a tomato in English. Okay, so I have dried all the water. As you can see, it's all dry. So I will set it aside. In a pot here, I've washed the turkey. I've washed it several with clean water and salt. Then I'll be spicing it with salt, curry, mixed spices combined of herbs, dried onion, and bay leaves. I'll be adding thyme, knorr cube for seasoning. I'll be using 2 knorr cubes. Okay. Then pepper flakes and grated ginger and garlic. I'll be adding also chopped onion. I will stir it well together to combine, to introduce meat and eventually for them to marry if they can. So I will cover it to cook for 10 minutes on a medium heat before adding water. This will make the spices you've added to infuse and digest inside the meat, okay, and makes it to taste yummy and delicious. So I have just added water after 10 minutes and I will leave it to begin the journey of cooking. Okay, and now it's all well cooked, as you can see. I will now scoop it out to fry and then set the water aside for further cooking with the stew. You can air fry it, you can use oven to grill it, anyone you want, or you can use vegetable oil to fry it. But I'll be using vegetable oil because I will still use the oil to fry the tomatoes. Okay, so I just added onion in the vegetable oil to add flavor in the turkey, and I've added the turkey to start frying. I will fry till it turns golden brown. Shout out to all my newest subscribers. Welcome to the family. Have a warm hug. Please click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Like, comment, and share to your family and friends. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for the like, share, and comment. I so much appreciate. And if this is the first time of seeing my video, thank you for stopping by to watch my video. Please click on the subscribe button. Subscription is free. And click on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Like, comment, and share to your family and friends. Okay, thank you so much. You can also follow me on my Facebook. I have Facebook also, is Ani's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Instagram is Ani's Kitchen and Lifestyle. TikTok is Ani's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Please follow me there too. Let's roll. Okay, and our turkey is all ready. I set it aside. In the same oil, I just added the chopped onion. I sauteed it and then add the boiled tomato. You can see how yummy this tomato is looking, very reddish and attracting. So I will stir fry it and then cover to cook for 20 minutes before adding the ingredients, the spices. Okay, and this is 20 minutes. I then start adding the spices. I added the salt, curry masala, mixed spices, just 1 knorr cube for seasoning, blended ginger, garlic, and pepper, crayfish, and thyme. Then I will stir them well to combine and then cover to cook further. I'll be stirring it from time to time so it will not get burnt. Okay, and now our stew is ready. As you can see, the oil have floated on top to show you that the stew is all well cooked now. So I will now go ahead to add the meat stock. You can see that the particles in the meat stock if you like. Okay, but I don't like saving it out, especially when I'm cooking stew. It's when I'm cooking fried rice that I will save out the maize stock. So go ahead and do whichever one you like, okay? So at this point, I added the turkey. You can see how fresh and yummy the turkey is looking. So I just added the turkey and then add more water to cook the stew, okay? So I will stir well to combine and then cover the pot to cook for more 10 minutes. This will make the boiled chicken and the stew to release and digest its aroma, okay? And this is 10 minutes. Our turkey stew is all ready, looking yummy and irresistible. At this point, you can reduce the oil if you like, but I'll be leaving it. I love it this way. This is how the bookers used to leave the oil. When you come to buy food from there, you see oil dancing on top of the cooler. So this is how I like it, okay? But you can scoop yours if you like. And then I go ahead to test the stew. And of course, it tastes heavenly. Thank you for watching till this moment, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.